Hot as fuck, as you can see, in this goddamn house. We've been over here with not that long, yes? And we are sweating our ass off. So far, we got most of the drywall in the dumpster. Nice dumpster, yes. The wood, whatever the fuck these things call, the wood planks, I don't know. The bastards that hit us. This was all drywall. That was up to the top of that window. That's a brand new window, so that's why it's cordoned off or whatever. But our whole goal is to get the rest of this out and get all of these in the dumpster today. Because my brother still got to work and I got to go take care of some shit. But yes, progress, but this shit is a lot of work. A lot of goddamn work. This is the new drywall. We still got to take that down right there. So once we get rid of these, we're going to move the drywall, new drywall, over to this side so we can take down that and that ceiling. But yeah, it's hot as fuck. It's a lot of work. This is a lot of work. A lot, as you can see. I'm sweating my ass off. Yes, but getting back to it. So that was from a previous day, and we have finished that up, cleaned it up, got it all good to go. And this is the following day. We worked on the third level, which is where the main bedroom is, and the ceilings are the last part that we had to do. So my brother, he decided to crawl into the attic and drop the ceiling that way. It kind of caught me off guard. I just was not prepared for it. I didn't know that's what he was doing. So yeah, I was pretty nervous and scared. Like, my brother is smaller than me because, like, he's taller than me, but weight-wise, he's smaller than me. So, like, it was easier for him to get up there and do all that because I wasn't doing that. Like, no. Chrissy wasn't doing that. I was not about to be, it just wasn't happening. So thankfully he went up there and he started dropping the ceiling. Apparently he's done this multiple times before because he's into carpentry and things like that. So he took care of it. He was being very, very careful with walking across the beams. I do not recommend anyone doing this at all, especially anyone who has never done that before. Please be extremely careful. Like, you have to understand, I'm a novice at this. My brother, he's done this stuff multiple times before, and he's comfortable with doing this kind of thing. But please be careful if you're watching my videos. Do not sit and actually do this unless you are comfortable and have done this before. So that's my little warning, okay? Letting you know now. This room right here was hell. It was just bad. It was just really bad. The rest of the ceilings on this level, the third level, were horrible. I'm talking about, it was just old insulation everywhere. I was not properly dressed to take the insulation out. My brother, he just didn't care. Once again, when it comes to this insulation and things that you see, please be extremely careful. As you can see, it looks like a scene from the Saw movie. Yes, that is the ramifications of him taking the ceiling out. And actually, we ended up having to leave because I started itching so bad. It was just, it was bad. So please, when it comes to insulation, be safe, be precautious, wear a full body suit, wear the proper ventilation, or have somebody professionally do it. This is the after, once we cleaned everything up. Because my brother dropped the ceilings, I cleaned most of the insulation up and got it up and taken care of. This is a scene of the ceiling once everything is out. As you can see, it's still insulation located in certain crevices and things like that. That's the hallway and things like that. It's actually not there anymore because at this time yesterday, we actually took out all of the ceilings. Everything that you're seeing right now is completely gone. I just haven't gotten a good video of it yet, but I will get one for the next video. What I'm showing you right now is this window. This pisses me off. They took a smaller window and basically made it into a big window and made it into a small window. So I have to completely replace that. That is the end for this video. I'll upload more videos today. So like, subscribe, share, and comment. Follow me on Instagram at DIY_Chrissy and hit me up. Bye.